Alright, so this is a central pneumatic 100-foot AirHose reel for an air compressor. And I've had this for a while, and I meant to install it when I first bought it, but like many other things, it kind of gets shoved off to the wayside. You never see it until you start cleaning things up. So I'm going to open this up and review it and install it, see how I like it. Instruction book. Roller assembly. And they even include some Teflon friction tape. Here's the air elbow, a junky sheet metal stamped wrench, which is going to go in the trash. Looks like we'll need an Allen key. So go ahead and start putting this thing together. So now I'm going to finish the other two arms, and we'll get on to the next step. Alright, so I got all the arms done. Now I just have to install this connector. Looks pretty good. Probably good enough. Swivels just as it should. So now it's all put together, getting ready to install it. I have some scrap bolts and nuts I'll be using. All of these are locking nuts, so let's get to it. So I have the shorter hose that's going to go to the compressor already put in. Got everything here put on and installed. Looks like no contact with anything, so we should be okay there. And then you guys can see the old scrap hardware I used. So now I'm just going to connect the air hose, the yellow one, to this piece right here and reel it up, resituate the air compressor, and we'll test this thing for leaks. So the air compressor is fully charged up. There's no leaks at all. I did just fix the end on this one. Works perfectly. No leaks. A little bit of condensation. That's nothing I'm not surprised of. Unfortunately, it is a little higher than I would have liked it, but thankfully I'm tall enough to still be able to turn it. So everything looks a lot nicer now. And I can't tell you guys how long I've been so aggravated trying to use this yellow hose and then just rewrapping it around the handle there every time. It just got old really quickly. But this is definitely going to be quite a bit more handy. And I'm so glad that I finally put this damn thing up. What I also did was organize some of my tools with a old screwdriver holder. Just zip tied it there. And so now every time I'm looking for some of this stuff, it'll be right there. And that's just all the stuff I found within arm's distance pretty much. So probably got some more things around here somewhere. But definitely cleaned up this whole area. I actually went through and vacuumed all around here too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely happy with this hose reel so far. I don't anticipate that I'm going to have any issues with it, but in the event that I do, I will update the description down below. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more product reviews. You all stay classy.